Hi everybody, good morning. I am Dr. Mitali Rathod, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist, and I want you to take a good minute and recall few events while you were growing up. नॉस्टैल्जिया वाली फीलिंग आएगी पक्के से, बट चाइल्डहुड में जो अजीब सी चीज़ें घटनाएं होती हैं हमारे साथ, वो कोर मेमोरीज बन जाती है. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डू द सेम. I was mere 6 years old when we visited our Nana Nani's place. घर पे my cousins were bathing. Now to reduce the morning load, they were bathing together. Now my Nana Nani found out that they were giggling over something. Then the little fellow started developing. Little fellow noticed some activity down there, the unexplained erections, while bathing with the cold water. What could be his next possible reaction? Of course, अपनी बहन को बताएगा. Now, when they were bathing and giggling over something, what could be their next possible reaction? Their mom be like, ये सब ऊपर नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए और अपनी बहन को बिल्कुल भी नहीं बता सकते. फिर आई मेरी बारी. Puberty hit and I started to develop abnormal growth over my chest area. जब ये घटनाएं घट रही थी तब रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ का चैप्टर भी नहीं आया था हमारे सिलेबस में. आई यूज टू स्लाउज ओवर, कवर इट विथ माई हेयर, बुक्स, बैग. जब तक मुझे याद है मैंने बहुत सारी हरकतें दिखाई, इवन वाइल चूजिंग द प्रॉपर साइज ऑफ अप्रोप्रिएट इनर्स. मेरे मन में ना सिर्फ एक ही बात चल रही थी कि अगर ये मेरे भाई को नहीं हो रहा तो मुझे क्यों हो रहा है. At 7 when my cousin turns 12, she started to had her first period. What could be her next possible reaction? अपनी बहन को बताएंगे, right? So I was mere 7-8 years old when I came to know that my body is going to produce blood from down there at some point of age and time without knowing the integrity of the same. I remember I used to pray God a lot that please, 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 ये मेरे साथ ऐसा कभी ना करना, बदले में I'll do this, I'll do that वगैरह. लेकिन फिर भगवान ने मेरी एक ना सुनी. One fine day, when we were visiting our Bua's place in Kutch, I started to notice some abnormal kind of a discharge mixed with mucus and blood. इनिशियली मुझे पता नहीं चला कि ये ब्लड है या क्या है, और दिमाग में अचानक से थॉट भी नहीं आया फर्स्ट टाइम में कि ये पीरियड है या क्या है. फैमिली के साथ थी, फिर भी मैंने ये चीज़ किसी को नहीं बताई. I managed to wash my clothes on my own and I kept going for 3 to 4 cycles until one fine morning my mom caught me red-handedly washing my clothes. तब जाके मुझे पता चला कि ये पीरियड्स है, ये ऐसे होते हैं, पैड्स ऐसे लगाने हैं. अच्छा हुआ कि ये नॉलेज मुझे मिल गई, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट साइकिल में उस ज़माने में साइंस के लेक्चर को पीरियड बोलते थे. तो साइंस के पीरियड में मेरे को इतने पीरियड्स आए कि मेरे सारे कपड़े स्टेन हो गए हैं. नाउ छुपते छुपाते कवर करके मुझे बाथरूम में ले जाया गया और टीचर को बता के पैड रखवाया और छुट्टी लेकर घर भेजा गया. ये सब ऐसे हुआ कि जैसे मैंने कोई क्राइम किया है और मुझे ना पनिशमेंट मिल रही है. माइंड यू, ये सारी भयंकर घटनाएं हो रही थी मेरे साथ बिना किसी अंडरलाइंग नॉलेज के, ऑल्दो आई कम फ्रॉम अ फैमिली ऑफ डॉक्टर्स. इससे भी भयंकर घटना घटनी बाकी थी, बिकॉज इमेजिन अ 7-year-old मिताली playing a video game in this fancy mobile phone when she opened something accidentally. What could be her next possible reaction? This is something new, out of the world, seems like a rocket science. So let's just close it over and put it back. Followed by I went numb because I didn't know what just happened. I had a bunch of questions and not knowing whom to ask. Study shows that more than 58% teenagers introduced to porn accidentally. I was one of them. Let's say in the ladder of schooling, if we consider sex as a first standard, we should and must consider nocturnal emissions as a junior KG and masturbation as a senior KG. We do not have such demarcation, unfortunately, for girls. As a child, we all get that education that we have 10 fingers, 2 limbs, 32 teeth, and 1 tongue, everything. But we unfortunately don't give them a basic genital organ education, which is why we always remain under the doubt that what is exactly happening. Even with the children, when they touch something down there out of curiosity or because of infection or irritation, we tell them that this is bad manners. Yes, this basic knowledge in general anatomy, it creates so much of shame, stigma, and anxiety and fear. We as adults, we are given toilet training and academic training, but we are not given proper knowledge regarding the pubertal changes, nocturnal emissions, masturbation, and myths. Something like that. While we are navigating our teenage and adulthood, we enters up to a certain age, and suddenly every single thing becomes about the passion project marriage. So it's like there are two different individuals who have never explored themselves. They have never explored their individuality. They are thrown out of the running flight without the proper uh, gears and without proper personal protecting gears and parachute. Let's talk about women, shall we? Most of the time, you must have heard that girls grow up really, really fast. I wish I could agree the same way scientifically, but I do agree the other way. Society collectively makes us grow really, really fast. Just like men have so much curiosity around their genitals, uh, girls too have curiosity like what is there, and somehow if they insert something accidentally, they are told certain words that hey, this is not normal, you are doing something abnormal accidentally and you are going to get punished. There were prominent events actually that happened during my childhood, from accepting my body hair, crooked teeth, opposite gender attraction, to development of chest periods and secondary sexual characters like pubic hair and axillary hair. As per the genetics, I had some more amount of hair over my body, somewhere around the chin area and the mustache area. So, as compared to my peers, every other human being who came into my contact has pointed out that hey, you have some more amount of body hair, or you have mustache, or just show your teeth. That gave me real body image issues and that lowers my self esteem. As time folds, perspective unfolds, and just like any other teenager, without having actual knowledge about what is happening inside my body, I used to get so conscious to stand in front of individuals, elders, and peers. In the name of sex education, what I and you all must have received is कि we were taught the name of the organs and the process of spermatogenesis and egg production. थोड़ा बहुत पीरियड्स के बारे में भी समझाया होगा, बट लड़का और लड़की को अलग अलग क्लासरूम में ले जाते हुए थे. When the actual age of sexual attraction, opposite sex attraction starts, nobody is going to ask you whether you like a girl or a boy. And just like that, while navigating adulthood challenges, I reached a certain age and my market value increased, and suddenly everybody run behind me into that passion project marriage. Every single thing, be like talking about body changes, period sex, or opposite sex attraction, which were considered illegal, suddenly became legal. It's like being an individual who has never explored herself or barely has any idea about her like and preferences is thrown out of the skydiving plane minus the parachute at the back. Sounds dangerous, right? ये मैं अकेले नहीं कह रही हूँ. I'm sure आप लोगों में से बहुत लोग इससे रिलेट कर पा रहे होंगे. Along with toilet training, we are given शादी की training minus the core reason to get married, which is obviously बच्चे पैदा करना. Just like boys who explores their genitals, they develop random erections, and girls also have so much curiosity around their lower area. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस इन अ बैड मैनर. आपने देखा ही होगा कि बच्चों को जब टीथ डेवलपमेंट होता है, दे टेंड टू जस्ट रोल देयर टंग्स आउट एंड सी द कैविटीज एंड स्टफ. तो आपको पता होगा कि व्हेन यंग गर्ल्स एक्सप्लोर देमसेल्व्स आउट देयर ड्यूरिंग डाउन देयर, I have seen many cases into which a young girl has inserted something down there accidentally. One such case was that in a distant family, a young girl has introduced something down there like a pebble or a wood, something like that. Her parents scolded her words, which I cannot pronounce in front, and followed by she put into certain restrictions. यहाँ नहीं जा सकते, स्कूल की पिकनिक में नहीं जा सकते, नए फ्रेंड्स नहीं बना सकते, वगैरह वगैरह. एंड द अल्टीमेट थ्रेट दैट नोबडी इज गोइंग टू मैरी यू, और कोई शादी नहीं करेगा आपसे. इमेजिन दिस इज हैपनिंग टू अ गर्ल हु इज़ मेयर 10 years ऑफ एज, और उसे पता भी नहीं है कि ये रिस्ट्रिक्शन सारे क्या होते हैं, और आपसे शादी नहीं करेगा कोई तो इसके कंसिक्वेंसेस क्या होते हैं. कीपिंग द सेक्स एजुकेशन एंड बेसिक बॉडी एजुकेशन असाइड, फर्स्ट पीरियड्स होने तक बड़ी मुश्किल से एक यंग गर्ल को पता होता है कि उसकी बॉडी के साथ क्या हो रहा है. पीरियड्स भी लड़का और लड़की को अलग अलग लेक्चर रूम में जाके पढ़ाया जाता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लैक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग अराउंड बेसिक ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एजुकेशन, so many teenagers get into issues like unwanted pregnancy, certain sexually transmitted infections like chlamydia, gonorrhea, HIV, syphilis, hepatitis B, herpes, क्योंकि उनको पता ही नहीं है कि ये क्या है. एक्सप्लोरेशन के फेज में ना करने वाली चीज़ें वो कर बैठते हैं, एंड गर्ल्स एंटर्स इनटू दैट फियर, शेम एंड स्टिग्मा कि आगे चल के कोई उनसे शादी नहीं करेगा और शायद उन्होंने अपनी वर्जिनिटी प्रूव करनी पड़ेगी. क्योंकि लोग तो यहाँ पे नो सेल नो डील वाला नारा लगाए बैठे हैं. लड़कियों में जब बात आती है, वी हैव फ्यू मिसकंसेप्शंस कि अगर आप नहीं कर सकते तो बाद में बच्चा पैदा नहीं होगा, पीरियड्स का ब्लड कम हो जाएगा एंड यू लूज वर्जिनिटी, और फिर आपसे ना कोई शादी नहीं करेगा. आई नो दैट एज टाइम अनफोल्ड्स वी गेन विजडम, नॉलेज अबाउट आवर ओन सेल्फ. We are studying and we have a beautiful people across social media and they are making real difference. Be a part of this change and don't suffer in silence. Thank you.